Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying the Dippity Do Girls with Curls Jelly. That is a mouthful. We're trying an oldie with a goodie, so let's get right into the video. So I just co-washed my hair. I use the Shea Moisture High Porosity line, which is discontinued, but I have a little, so that's what I used. I just applied some leave-in conditioner. It's the winter time, so I don't want to apply a gel by itself. I have used this gel before, so it works great by itself, but my hair is color treated. It's winter time, my hair is dry. So today we're using the Dippity Do Girls with Curls Jelly. Everybody hypes this up, so we're gonna see if it passes the test. It is 11.5 fluid ounces, which is great. I paid $5 for this. It's in my Amazon store. I think it might be $11, maybe $14 there, but you can find it at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but it's either they have it or they don't, or they have everything else. It's either they have it or they don't. They'll have like the shampoo or the different stylers, but a lot of their stuff does have silicones or sulfates or whatever in them. So this is one of the only products from them that is silicone free. This and the mousse, I believe. So it's pink when you open it. It's really cute. And it smells just kind of florally. It smells good to me. Not florally, but like, it's like a, oh gosh. It's like a clean scent, you know, if you feel me. So I'm going to read the directions real quick before we jump in. It says, shape, smooth, and separate your curls with natural aloe, vitamin E, and wheat protein to help eliminate frizzy texture and calm kinks for soft, silky, and healthy looking curls and wave. The direction says, apply to towel dried hair from roots to tips, and scrunch to shape curl. Can be used on dry hair for a controlled finishing touch. So I guess you can use it as like a refresher. My hair needs to be wet. Personal preference. Your hair is more vulnerable when it's wet, so that's what I like to do. I just kind of take, I'm just going to take half of my hair. Like that. Like, yeah, that's good. Pretty much the wannabe pink parts that have all faded. So I'm taking this little part right here. Not this much. This is the texture. It's like a, you know, a true gel. It's not sticky at all. It is it's really slippery. It provides a lot of slip. I'll give it that. I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush, y'all. If you know me, you know. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, Dippity Do. It looks cute. My curls are clumping. They look shiny. It looks good so far. So I'm going to fast forward this, do my head. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished applying all the products to my hair. It looks really good. Looks really shiny. I don't see any frizz. I am getting some clumpage, actually, surprising. So I'm going to air dry today, switching it up. And I will see how this gel does. For the gel, the Dippity Do Girls with Curls Jelly. I like it. This is my results. I air dried. And like I said, I've used this gel before. I've bought maybe 3-4 containers. I bought it once on Amazon, but when I see it in like TJ Maxx or something, that's when I get it. It's a gel where I'm not like, oh my gosh, these are the best results ever. But it's a gel where I'm like, okay, these results are pretty good. I'll use this on a day-to-day basis. Like, this is the gel, like, I repurchase it because it's affordable. Well, when I don't find it on Amazon, when I find it in TJ Maxx. It's affordable, it gives me good results. Like, these results are good. I have other gels that give me, well, I have one more gel that gives me better results than this. So, like, if I'm going out or I need my hair to be good, I'll use the other gel. But, like, well, I guess not too much right now. But, like, if I'm going to school, I'm going out to the store, I'll use this gel. Does that make sense? I like the gel. I give it a 10 out of 10 with or without a leave-in. This is with a leave-in. If I have, I don't know if I have a picture. It says shape shift into soft frizz-free curls. That is, I do, when it's drying, I get a hold. But now that I took some of my Unique beauty oil, I love them, I'll link their stuff down below, and just kind of scrunched out the crunch, and yeah, this is what I got. But it is soft, but I do feel a slight hold. Like when I did this wash and go before, I get a good 3 or 4 days, and that's long for me because I usually don't get a day. I'm still working on that aspect, but it gives me good results. It lasts, but it is a softer hold. But I don't really know. It's like I would give it like a 5, maybe a 4, 4.5, 5 for the hold. So if you're like a strong hold girl, you might want something else on top of this. Yeah, you might. But it definitely, the Dippity Do's Girls with Curls Gelee definitely is a stand for me. It's pink, like it's really cute. So yeah, definitely a winner for me. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, did I say it's a stamp? It's a stamp for me. I will see you guys next week, if depending on what day it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please, please, please keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time.